So hi guys, this is Dinesh from Stay Classic Bats. Today we are going to show you the MRF Grand Edition, the same bat which Virat uses. Flat toe, straight grains, a crazy punch, and a totally beast willow. So watch the video till end and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. So we are going to remove it off. Cover of the bat is good, it's a zipper one. The size of the bat is a standard short handle men's. Now if you count the grains, these are 7 grains, 7 straight and very well balanced willow. So here it's a logo symbol. The model is MRF Grand Edition. The weight of this bat is 1190 grams. You can also get your weight option available. See the tag, it's written MRF Grand Edition MRP 25720. And above, if you see, there is a hologram of the MRF. It comes on all the MRF bats. Without that, no MRF bat comes as per 2019. You can see, if we tilt, you can see MRF logo and that sign symbol sealed inside the plastic. That's all for now, so please like and subscribe and show some support. Thanks. Have a great day.